Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
Wagwan, what's great? Chef John Morris again, presenting to you white rice. Long grain white rice, now go deal with. So the first thing you want to do is get 1 cup of white rice in your pot. Just gonna give that a wash until the water runs clear. Give that a second wash. You drain the excess water. So you want to add enough water to about ½ an inch above the rice. So follow me. To that, we're going to go in with a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of butter, just for flavor. So basically you have 1 cup of white rice, long grain. You have 3/4 cup of water. Or you can, if you don't have a measuring cup, you can measure it up to your use your finger and do the measurement. So half of the first inch of your fingers, a ½ inch, and when you measure that, that should be above. As you touch the rice on the top right there, don't sink your finger all the way down. As soon as you feel the rice, you stop, and the level of the water should be ½ inch above your finger. You know you have the right amount. Gonna add that to that. Give this a nice little mix. Gonna put this on our stove on medium high. Gonna bring this up to a boil for about 7 to 8 minutes. Alright, so this is what the rice should look like. Soon as you have that much water in it, you reduce your flame now to medium low, or if you're using a quiet stove top like me, you put that at number 3. So you start off at number 8, let that come to a boil and reduce a bit. As soon as it looks like this, where you can see the rice grains, you reduce the flame to 3. Gonna cover that, let that steam for an additional 5 minutes, and then I'll show you the next step after. We're going to turn the rice around to cook the ones on top, and the ones that are on the bottom that are already cooked, we put those at the top. As you can see, it's still moist, it has liquid in it, so you don't need a lot of water. This much liquid in the rice, this is what's going to steam the rice. As soon as you see the grains moving from white to opaque, you know they're almost cooked. And as you can see, it's not sticking or anything. So you level that off. So I have here a piece of plastic wrap that I went ahead and damp a bit. I'm going to place that right on here. Get that down. Ensure it covers the rice entirely. I'm going to add a bit of water on top. Yeah, that will steam it up nice and fluffy. So you bring back up the heat to a bit, to 4, and steam for 8 minutes. When it's ready, I'll show you what it looks like. Just to remove our lid, so carefully remove the plastic so that the water that's on it doesn't go down. So you just kind of make like a net. So you fold the 4 corners together so the water doesn't ooze out and lift. So this is what the rice looks like now. Perfectly steamed rice. Run that with some curry goat, and of course this too is on the channel. You can check that out. Up and running. Some white rice and curry and some mixed veg though. Nice and fluffy. So there you have it. 1 cup of rice. Made easy here on Morris Time Cooking Ed. Do remember to give this video a thumbs up. Quick and easy thing you can do at home. Remember to hit that subscribe button for more videos like these. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel, and go and big up on yourself.
Yeah, me see another dinner for later. But know you fast girl, you have to tell me. Cause any man can feed you, so that's why you always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.